So you probably didn't know this about me, but unless you actually know me. I find people babies ugly. Only human babies are the only animals I don't like. Other babies of other animals are adorable, other than people. Most people think sharks are ugly or scary. I think sharks are adorable, adults and babies, even snakes. What people think are ugly, I find cute. But here's some questions about human babies I just thought of. What language do they speak in? Like, if they can't think of any language, they don't know how to speak. So, how can you know? So, how do they speak in their brain? Like, you can speak in your brain, not out loud. So, what do babies think, and what they don't know if they don't speak a language? Second, how do babies recognize their parents if their brain isn't fully developed to recognize people's faces, though, right? How do they recognize people? How do they know who their parents are? Another question is, like, why do people think human babies are adorable while other people are animals, and so people think human babies are adorable, but most animals that other animal babies are ugly. Other than me, I find it the opposite. Well, this is only about human babies, though. So, what, like, it makes how do babies' bones come together? Like, babies have more bones than adults because their bones are broken into small pieces. So, doesn't that mean they have all their bones are broken? And how do they come together? Since they're supposed to come together as they get older, but if they're into small pieces, how do they stand up? Or, well, how can they stand? Why do they crawl? Can't they support their own weight? Because they're supposed to be light. Just like my dog, even though everyone thinks my dog is heavy. Why did I call him my? Sorry, I don't like saying people own animals or plants. People can't own people, so how can you own an animal and plant when they're alive as well? And people are animals. But those are just my curious questions of why are babies like that.